right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to go through the agenda for November 16th and 17th. So right now you are right here on Watch This First. Going to go through our agenda and what we need to do for the next 2 days. And so the first thing that we are going to do is to go back and look at a review video and some notes that go with it. One thing that I noticed was that when we did our initial lesson on slope, that we were good at calculating what the slope is, but we weren't very good at identifying what the slope or the rate of change meant in the problem. And so that's what we're going to look at today. So the next part of your lesson here is a review video. And so there's a review video here. And if you would like, what I have done is given you a PDF of the 3 problems that I'm going to do in the review video. So I will let that be up to you if you want to print that off and work along, or if you just want to watch and listen to the video and pause it when you need to go back and make sure that you understand our goal in these 3 problems. And our goal or our objective is to be able to state what the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and the rate of change, to state what they represent, to state what the y-intercept, the x-intercept, and the rate of change represent in the problem. So not the number, but is it an increase or a decrease? And what is increasing and decreasing? Where does it start at? So those are the types of questions that we're looking to be able to answer. When you're finished going through the review video, there is an assignment. There's 2 assignments. And the assignments right here are Canvas quizzes, and they're rate of change and interpreting x and y intercepts. Those are set up so that you can do those multiple times. So they are Canvas quizzes. You can have multiple attempts. So if you miss something, want to go back and correct it, maybe go back, watch the video again, and come back and correct it, you can. Okay. Since we are a week into Chapter 5, I want you to take today to pause for a second and ask yourself, are you up to date on Chapter 5 assignments? And more than are you just up to date, do you understand what's going on in Chapter 5? So when you click on here, this is a list of Chapter 5 assignments. You'll notice that it's broke into 2 categories, that there are categories that are Canvas quizzes, and then assignments that were from Math Excel. So you need to go and make sure that you have every one of those complete, and then make sure that if you have any questions on those, that you're bringing those to the Zoom session to get those answered. Okay, Zoom sessions are super easy. You show up with your question. You either tell me it, or maybe I ask you to screen share it if it is a visual, if it's a graph that we all need to see, and then we work through the problem. So if you look at the Zoom schedule for this week, our Zoom sessions right here, there is a Zoom session every day this week at noon. And so you just need to jump onto one of those. These are very informal in that you stay as long as you would like. Some people come to these, they don't even have questions. They just like to hear what other people are asking. It helps them think through the problem, helps to see how other people think through the problem. Okay. Canvas message me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.